read it, but oh wait, I see what you're doing. So m equals 2 times the standard deviation divided by the square root of the sample size.
Well, it's not 2. It's 0.64, 0.645.
Why is that?
Because it's you base it off the z-score.
The z-score is a 1.65, right?
Yeah, 1.645.
645, correct.
And how'd you get that?
You type it into the applet.
Type it in the applet, just underneath the area, right?
Yeah, you put the applet. You put it in the applet.
Here, let me put this on. You really don't need to see my face. So 1.6 times whatever this thing's called right here.
Standard deviation.
I think my mind was blanking. Standard deviation divided by the square root of 25. So what's the square root of 25? Is it 5?
Yeah.
So it's 10 times 0.645. So it's 16.45.
I don't get it. But I'm not.
What do you not get?
I'm just not thinking very well right now. So.
Okay. Okay. Which of the following statements is true? Is a point estimated of you. Yeah. That's right, right?
B.
I'm going to check the textbook. It's right here. Yeah. X is the point estimator.
There you go.
Yeah.
Which one?
I said B.
B. Is a point estimator of.
Yeah, it talks about here, right here. The statistic above is a point estimator. Right there in the textbook.
So B.
Yep. We good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Gino wants to construct a 95% confidence interval for the JAMP score. She knows the standard deviation. Okay. So we changed this to 0.95. Yeah, 1.60. 1.960.
Yeah.
Times 130. 113 divided by the square root of 64. Square root of 64 is what? 8?
Yes.
Okay. I got 27.685.
It's off at 2. 2.
Is anyone else doing it?
27.685.
Yeah.
Terry, don't touch stuff.
176.
Don't.
8.
I want to put you down.
How did you get this? This is the X bar, right?
Yes.
You just use the alpha divided by n root.
No, I did that wrong. That's not right. I just gave you the confidence interval.
Yeah, this is the asked for point X estimate.
That answer is the answer for number 6. I'm sorry, I messed up.
No problem. Yeah.
Okay.
You calculate the margin of error, right?
Yeah, that's what I did.
0.7. What is the number? Number 6.
27.685.
That's pretty good.
Are
So
you
this
talking about
one-
number 5?
Okay. Number 5 is what is the point estimate for the true gap score? I don't know how you do the point estimate. Oh, it's just
It's just the
526.
526.
26.
That, yeah, that might be.
Yes.
That was dumb. I'm sorry. What is
No.
the lower limits of this confidence
Interval,
interval? What are the lower limits? Is it
the lower limit. So it's just
is it negative?
it's just
Go ahead, sorry.
yeah, it's just what you're about to say. It's the bottom part of the whatever. I can't think.
Is it the area or is it just negative 1.960?
I think it's just
Do you want me to screen share? Does that
so
help?
yeah, but I don't think it's that because that's the z-score. I think it's
Is it this?
Oh, yeah, they do.
It's minus, right? Just
it might be that.
They're showing these pictures.
I don't know.
All really good, but it ain't
Here, let me do a
really-
control F on this and find lower limit.
Or after you commit it, and I'll look at it.
No, I
Correct
think
interpretation of 95 confidence says we are confident that the true mean lies within the lower and upper bounds. Oh yeah, so that's right.
Well, you know, then-
So it's 0.025. Does that make sense, Brother Lou?
205.
Yeah. So
0.205.
so it's the lower and upper limits, and it's just the lower limit.
Yeah, you need to calculate, right? You need
No, it's just
no, you need to use the x bar minus z time alpha divided by n squared. And that's the lower limits, right? If you plus, that's the upper limit, isn't it? Did you get me?
no. I understand what you're saying. It's that one thing where it's like, okay,
You know,
yeah, I
remember-
understand what you're saying.
yeah, remember there's two numbers there?
Yeah.
He's
Because the
asking-
next,
yeah.
So the margin of error is 95%. So is it just plus or minus? Oh yeah, it's that plus or minus formula.
Yes, I think
Okay.
that's the one.
Oh, okay. So it's right here. Is what we have to do. So it's 526 minus the 27.685, the thing that I already calculated.
That's the M, right? That's okay. What then? Sorry, what is the number for question 6? 0.7.
1 second. Number 7 is 498.315.
27,635. Number 6.
Number 6 is 27.685.
85. I can't see that. Okay. 27. Okay. Number 7 is
498.315.
5. Sounds great.
And number 8 is 553.685.
5, 53, 6.
Grandpa? Grandpa's got a phone. Grandpa's got a phone. Grandpa's got a phone.
Okay. We all good?
Yeah.
So number 9, what would happen if to the width of the confidence interval if Gina increases the sample size? So it will decrease.
Decrease, right?
What would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Gina changed it to 99% confidence interval? If it was at 99, if that increased, yeah, it would all increase, right? Does that sound right, Kevin?
It doesn't sound right to me. Seems like it would get smaller if she made it like the confidence interval tighter. Seems like the width would be smaller,
Well,
right?
okay, my thought is the formula is z times standard deviation times x. If you increase the z,
The
your
M
margin,
will increase, right?
the margin of error would increase. And then if margin of error increases, the variance or the sample or the confidence interval would increase.
Yeah, I see right here in the book. Yeah, it does increase. It looks
Okay.
like the confidence
Hey.
thing.
Okay.
I don't know why I did that. Whatever.
Just think of the formula. You're just not on your A game today.
No.
Okay. Bright Bulb Light Bulb Company company is planning on studying an asset's average life expectancy of their light bulbs. They know the standard is 400 hours. They want a 95% confidence margin of 50 hours. So, confidence interval 95%. So z-score
1.96.
Yeah.
0.
1.960. What sample size do they need? Okay, sample size, it's n equals z-score 1.960 times the standard deviation of 400 over the margin of error. So, how do you calculate the margin of error? Oh, it's 50, right?
Yes.
Okay. I was like, if they don't give that to us, how are we supposed to calculate it? 1.960 times 400 divided by 50 equals 15.68, and then we got to square that. So I got 245.862.
So this one we're supposed to round out at the nearest whole number, so it'd be 246.
Thanks for that.
I remember reading in this part, you always round up with these ones.
Yeah, that's right.
You never round down.
Oh, that makes sense. It's just it's people, because this is like a measurement of amount of people.
Or light bulbs. In this case.
The light bulbs, yeah. The sample.
Yeah.
You can have a half a light bulb, it just won't turn on.
Exactly.
Okay. The mean salaries of auctioneers mu and the standard deviation that you're interested to know if the mean salary of women auctioneers is different from the population mean, but you're not sure it's higher or lower. Set up a hypothesis test with a level of significance at alpha equals 0.5.
0.05.
Yeah, 0.05. You collect a sample, random sample of that, and you find that. Use this information. What are the lower limits of 95% confidence interval? So we had to calculate M first, right? 0.960 times 36730 36. So I got an M score of 11,998.46. Do we want to do it? Oh, to the nearest whole number.
The new lady this week that comes.
So that's my M score.
哎，其实好，
So the lower limits are
Not necessarily no.
it is 1813.
what?
I got the question 12, the lower limit. Oh, I'm sorry, I got wrong.
I got 24,732. No, that's wrong. Because I didn't use the right. Hold a sec. Let me redo this. Kevin's face threw me off.
Sorry.
Sorry. Are we supposed to use X? Yeah. Okay, retry. I got 99,002.
You how did you get that, Ben? 12.
Okay, I calculated my M score, so it's 1.960 times 36,730 divided by the square root of 36, which is 6. So my M score came out to 11,998. And then I added that to X and then subtracted that to X to get my upper and lower limits.
Added it to the you just subtract to the X, right?
Yeah, I subtracted to the X, so I got 99,002. And then I subtracted it from X to get 122,998.
Is the formula like it's a X bar subtract the Z time alpha divided by N root or something?
Yeah. So you can simplify that formula to X bar minus M.
Yes, yes,
So that's what I did. I just did X bar minus plus or minus M.
yes. The Z time, X bar minus Z time M, right?
Well, no. X bar, so Z times,
Oh, yes, I got you. Thank you.
that all simplifies it to M. So it's just X bar
Yeah.
plus or minus M.
Yes.
Okay.
What is the M? The number you can't keep?
I got 11,998.
11,998.
Yeah. We'll round into a whole number, so you can round it right there. Did you get the same thing? Oh, we lost Kevin.
It's 99,002, right?
Yep.
The answer.
I'm so over it.
Did your computer just kick you off?
It just froze again.
I'm sorry, man.
I think I have to replace my memory.
If you're going to do that, buy a solid state.
I don't even know what that means.
Just when you go buy a new memory for your computer, by SSD.
Well, I think I think I have to get RAM. I think.
Oh, okay. Well,
Right.
SSD speeds up your computer too, like significantly. But anyways, never mind. Anyways,
So I think I got everything except for 12.
so 12 is 99,002.
2.
Mhm. And then 13 is 122,998.
12299.
We help.
Cool.
122,998. Yep. Okay, there are 3 requirements that need to be checked when computing a confidence interval level for a mean that they are a sample random.
B, right?
I put this in my notes.
All of the above.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
that's what I think it is.
Okay, do you want me to submit? Or do one of you want to submit?
I can do it. Let me submit first.
Okay. I told Betsy that at the end we would go through the answers. Like, I'll just put mine on
Okay.
share screen and just go slowly.
Sounds good.
I got
Okay.
100. Go ahead, guys.
Save all responses, go to the quiz. Okay.
Go team go.
Let me just check I got 100. Okay. I'm going to just share this and then go slow, and then I'll end it. So if you guys want to leave, you're fine. I'm just going to do this for her quickly.
Okay. Thank you so
Sounds
much.
good.
I have to go to
Thanks,
NASA
guys.
friends.
We'll see you.
Yeah.
All right, thanks for carrying me. Sorry, I couldn't really contribute too much.
Hopefully you will getting better, Kevin
Yeah, hopefully.
and Joe kids. My kids had a fever last night too, so
Yeah, dude.
and not easy to be father, huh?
No.
We want to scare Ben. Ben?
I'm not
Yeah.
having kids.
Yeah.
I'll be richer in life.
Well, maybe in money, but not in everything else that really matters.
I'm just messing.
Silly Ben.
Okay. Hopefully
Okay.
Repent me.
Hopefully that was slow enough for her. I'll catch you.
I mean, she could always pause it too, so.
Yeah, I just want to make it easy. It was hard when I had to go over it again.
All right, well, thanks again, guys. We'll see you Wednesday.
See you.